Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today. We're going to be installing Google Chrome on Mac. So let's go ahead and click on the little spaceship on the bottom left. We'll go ahead and click on Safari. We'll go ahead and type in chrome.com. We'll go ahead and we'll either click it on the middle or on the top right. We'll go ahead and click it and just go ahead and click it on this computer is a Mac with Intel. If you want to verify that, you click on the top left, you click about this PC. You'll see processor quad core Intel chip. We allow it. You see it's downloading. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it's opening Google Chrome.dmg. To install Google Chrome, we'll actually click on that little box that popped up. Go ahead and click on Google Chrome and drag it down to the application window. As you can see, it's copying Google Chrome to applications. Now we go ahead and close Google Chrome. Now we go ahead and click on the little launch pad on the bottom, the one with a spaceship. Now we'll go ahead and click on Google Chrome. We'll go ahead and click on open. We'll go ahead and click on start Google Chrome. But for this, we'll go ahead and make sure that set Google Chrome as default set because we want them just using that. And we'll go ahead and use Chrome as default. Go ahead and click on get started. Okay, there you go, guys. That installs Google Chrome onto your Mac. So if you have any questions or any comments that you'd like to ask, feel free to comment down below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your post notification, and see you guys next time. So peace out.